Today we are going to start chapter number 5. Chapter 3 is completed in the last class. Chapter 4 I am not going to do now because chapter 4 takes time. Where chapter 5 is very easy. This we can complete in 1 or 2 classes. After that we have PT1. For that we have to revise. After PT1 we will start the chapter 4. Okay. Chapter 5 is very easy because 80% of this chapter already we did in class 4. Do you remember the word called symmetry? Symmetry. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Class 4
Yes, sir,
itself,
bricks
we
and
discussed about this word called symmetry. Symmetric line. Symmetric line is a line through which the diagram or the graph can be folded so that both the parts overlap. For example, this is a rectangle. In between this, if you draw a line, a symmetric line, if you fold along this, both the parts overlap.
Sir, you had said how to do that. Yes, sir.
All these we discussed in 4th class. Look at this is your attendance register. See, this is called symmetric line. This is called symmetric line. If I fold this with respect to this line, you can see only one portion. Other portion you can't see. That means both the portions overlaps. And you can see only half of this, not the complete full. So this is called symmetric line. To the given figure, to the given picture, there can be more than one symmetric line. Sometimes there can be no symmetric line. For this, one symmetric line is there, which is called vertical symmetric line. This is a vertical line. The same rectangle can be folded into two equal parts with respect to this line also. With respect to this line also, you can fold and you can make two equal parts. You can fold like this. You can fold like this. You can fold like this. This is called horizontal symmetric line. Horizontal symmetry, vertical symmetry. This having both. Some pictures will have only one. Some pictures will have both. Some pictures will have none. No symmetry for it. Here two symmetric lines are there. Symmetric lines can be more also. If you take a circle, there will be infinite symmetric lines. This is one, this is one, this is one. Every diameter divides this into two equal portions. Along any diameter, you fold the circle, you will get two equal parts. If you want, you can try this as activity. Draw a circle, draw a diameter, fold it. You can draw many diameters. So that's why infinite number of symmetric lines. Symmetric line means this is the exact image of this. This is the mirror image of this. If you can see this, you can see in the mirror. So this is the line dividing this. So some mirror images, some symmetric lines, how to do this. Yesterday, I have sent one YouTube video. I have told you to go through the video. You will get the idea about this class. Because from this chapter, examination point of view, you won't get much questions. Hardly 1 or 2 questions you will get. You will be given a diagram. You will be asked to identify which symmetry it will have, vertical symmetry or horizontal symmetry. These type of simple questions will be asked. It is a very easy chapter. It can be finished in 1 or 2 classes. That's why I took this to complete before we go for PT1 examination. And this chapter also included for your PT1 syllabus. First 3 chapters and this. All these 4 chapters are coming for your coming PT1. Already you know the syllabus. Timetable is also given to you. This symmetry we discussed in 4th class in detail. Keeping view of the 5th class syllabus, I have given the detailed information. Not only pictures, alphabets also. If you remember, alphabets. A is a letter. Is it symmetric? Yes. There is A vertical symmetry. Vertical symmetry is there. So you will be given some pictures. You have to identify whether symmetry is there or not. This is a very easy information, nothing to write in the textbook or notebook. I will share one PPT. Please go through the PPT. The concept will be clear. After that, the PPT I will share to you. If you want, you can copy that in your classroom. Okay. So very easy chapter.
Okay,
You
sir.
will enjoy doing this.
Sir, shall we write in scrapbook? Sir, shall we write in scrapbook?
Look at these two pictures. This you can practically do at home. Practically, you can do this at home.
Yes, sir.
How to do this? Take a white paper like this. Take a white paper like this. This you are supposed to do as an activity at home. Then submit to me. Take a white paper, fold exactly in between. Okay. Then
Okay. Sir, this police paper is simply
drop
used.
some color here. Drop some color on one side. Drop some color on one side. Then press like this. If you open, you will get its image here. If you do this practice, just now in the
If we do
morning,
it
I shared
one
one
side,
video. Just now
sir,
in the
if we
morning,
do
I
it one
shared one
side,
video where you can do these colors.
yes, sir.
This is how you have
Sir,
to
we
do
can
it.
use any color.
Any color. Any color.
Yes, sir. Sir, then that means if we do it this side, that also the color
Yes.
comes same.
Yes, you have to draw, you have to put the color on one side and fold it. Whatever the image you are trying, that you will get. Repeatedly, if you do this, you will get. How to do this? Morning, I shared the video before the class, just 10 minutes ago.
Yes, sir,
I
I
shared
saw
one
it.
video. How to do the coloring also, I shared the video. You can go through it. Take a sheet of
Yes, sir.
paper, fold into half. Drop a color on the middle line. Drop a color exactly on the middle and fold. And you have to spread like this. Then you will get two mirror images. Different shapes you will get. You will be allowed to do this. You can try this at home. This chapter is completely activity based. There is no formula, no calculation. If you do this, you will get to know how easy this is. So one color this side, the same color that side you will get, the same shape you will get. If you fold, you can see only half of that, not the complete picture. Listen. Don't talk.
I got this.
Not now, you have to try afterwards, not in the class. Mirror offs. Pictures, shapes, things that possess mirror offs are called symmetry. Symmetry means you have to mirror off. Mirror off means whatever image is there, same image. Your palms are the best example of symmetry. Both. Okay, they're exactly same. The line separating them is called line of symmetry. Look at this picture. You might have seen in the photography. Mirror image of that. This is the line of symmetry. Just listen, just enjoy the class. Nothing to write here. You must have prepared this type of mask available in the market. You can prepare your own mask. I have seen few years ago, there was a craze about mask of Iron Man. All these Avengers masks were there. This is the line of symmetry. You can see both the sides exact shape is there. You can try preparing this type of mask. Line of symmetry. If you what is the line of symmetry? If you fold, then one half covers the other half. That is called line of symmetry. One half fits exactly on the top of the other. See, both the parts are equal. And interestingly, when one part is given, you must be able to draw the other part also. That type of worksheet is also there. I will share after the class. This part will be given, same part you have to draw that side. Here we have vertical line of symmetry. Straight lines are vertical. Horizontal symmetry, vertical symmetry. This we discussed in the last year. Alphabets. Many alphabets having vertical symmetry, some alphabets having horizontal symmetry, both are there. Best example, H is there. H is having both vertical horizontal symmetry. I is also having both vertical horizontal symmetry. Of course, O is there having vertical horizontal symmetry. Few alphabets, few are not having none of this. Few alphabets, they don't have any symmetry. Out of these 26 alphabets, which are having symmetry, among them which are vertical, which are horizontal, make a guess. What about capital A? Which symmetry this has? Capital A, which symmetry? Horizontal or vertical?
Sir, R doesn't have symmetry.
Okay. R doesn't have symmetry, that's fine. Which has symmetry? What is A? Alphabet A is having any symmetry?
Yes, sir.
Which one? Vertical or horizontal?
Vertical, sir.
Vertical. Very good. Let us see. B is having horizontal. C is having horizontal. D is having horizontal. E is having horizontal. F and G having none of the symmetry. H is having both. I is having both. M is having vertical. N is having nothing. O having both. P is not having. Q is not having. R is not having. J, K, L, they don't have any symmetry. So in the Google form, in the examination, you will be given 3 to 4 letters of this. Identify which is having symmetry, which is having no symmetry. G is no symmetry, F is no symmetry, J, K, L, P, Q, R, S, Z. They don't have any symmetry. Got it? Okay. I will share the PPT also. This you can write in the textbook, in your classwork.
Okay, sir.
Alphabets. This slide you can write. In our regular day-to-day life around us, you can see some symmetries. Have you seen this?
Sir, we can see. Sir, we can see only mirror halves.
Yes. These are the traffic signals. 30 means you can't go more than 30 kilometers per hour. Flight is given means nearby you are reaching the airport. Cow symbol is there. Means that is a village area where you can see animals are crossing the road. Like this. Different traffic signals. Among these traffic signals.
Sir, at our screen there's written pictures, shapes, or things that process. That's written, sir.
Sir, I cannot.
Sir, we can't see the
things that you have shared.
Yes, sir.
Wait, I will share once again.
Yes, sir. Sir, now we can see it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Among these, I have drawn some symmetric lines. Please check. Along those lines, you can fold the graph. You can fold the picture. Two equal parts. Just observe, just any other class. No need to write anything. Just observe and learn. These are very different traffic signals. You might have seen only few of them, not all. Every traffic signal is having a different meaning of it. Okay. Few are having one symmetry, few are having two symmetry, few are having three symmetry, four symmetry. If you see the tiger image very close, you can see the tiger image, not the tiger very close. Don't try to see the tiger very close. After that, you will not be on the earth. If you see any tiger image very close, exactly in between, you can see a vertical symmetry. Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Is the butterfly symmetrical? Yes. It's a very beautiful
Yes, sir.
butterfly. It is always symmetry. See the beauty of the God creation. What is this?
And sir.
What is the name of this?
Shell,
Shell. Shell available at beach areas. Available at beach areas. Shell. Shell is having exactly one vertical symmetry.
Catfish also.
Some fish.
Starfish, sir. See only this also. Starfish.
Bat. Some insects. Some animals are shown here, which are symmetry. You can see this. You might have not observed, but all these falls under symmetry. These insects, these flies, you might have seen around you, but you might have never observed that they are symmetry. Human faces, mask. As I said, hey, keep quiet. Keep quiet.
Mask. Oh, mask.
Non-parliamentary language there.
Screen is black, sir.
Sir, the screen is not black.
Is it visible or not?
Sir, it's
Yes, I can
visible.
see this. This is visible to me also.
This also you can try. If you love the paintings, if you love to do the drawing, you can prepare your own symmetrical pictures as maximum as possible.
Yes, sir.
Harshini, what are you doing there? What are you doing with your mobile?
Car is photo.
What is that drawing? I request all the students to do the drawings of this, at least 3 to 4 drawings, and paste in the classwork. Do the painting, drawing.
Okay, sir.
This chapter is completely activity based. There are no problems or questions. There are no formulae. Everything is about paintings and drawings. Fish. You are asking about fish, no? You can draw a fish with horizontal symmetry or vertical symmetry. Star.
Okay, so this battery ball.
What is this?
Taj Mahal.
Yes. One of the
Taj Mahal.
seven wonders. One of the wonders of,
Seven wonders, sir.
yes. It is exactly symmetry.
King's head. It is the king.
Vertical symmetry, horizontal symmetry.
This shape has line of symmetry. King will there wear the topi. King.
Sir, someone is unmuted.
Or these lines are showing symmetry. Look at
No,
these
sir.
pictures. If you fold the picture along the line given there, will there be symmetry? No. The lines drawn
No, sir.
are not dividing this into two equal parts. So it is not symmetry. This 4. Some symmetry, some asymmetry.
Good morning, sir.
Who is that? Good morning after the class.
Kirtana, sir.
See the symmetric. First one is symmetric. Second one is not symmetric because both the portions are not exactly equal. Left side you can see the more quantity. Right side less quantity. You can't fold them as exactly equal. Rest are fine. All these shown, they comes under symmetry. Which are symmetry, which are not symmetry, you have to draw the line and check. These two from your textbook, the line shown is exactly line of symmetry. What about here? Is the line is shown is line of symmetry? Is the line shown is line of symmetry or not?
Yes, sir. Yes,
No, 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 no. No.
No, sir.
They are exactly same in the shape but not in the color. You can see here you have red color where above you have white color.
Yes, sir.
When you fold horizontally, below you have red and white combination, above white and red combination. This red goes on white. They are not exactly equal. Below red and white, above white and red or violet, whatever it may be. Colors are different. Colors are different. It looks that they are same, but they are not same. Check carefully, concentrate. What about this? Is the line of symmetry or not?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No. Check carefully.
No, sir.
Concentrate.
Sir, the side, the front and the back one is at the back.
Yes, different.
Yes, sir.
Whatever up is there, that is another
Right
side.
one is
If you fold, they
left
won't
one is
overlap. What about this? Is it line of symmetry or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Left
No,
side
sir.
have more space.
Yes,
Left
Yes,
side
sir.
more space. Right side very less space. Leaf size is different. Leaf size and shapes are different. What about this?
No,
This color is changed, sir. That's why it is.
Colors are
No,
different.
sir.
You have blue color, here you have white color.
Yes, sir.
Blue color,
Yes,
white
sir.
color, two different colors.
Left side is blue, white. Right side is white.
Height is wide, breadth is blue.
Explanation is also written there. Why they are not equal?
Sir, this ball is speaking, sir. ఇంకో మమ్మీ నేను చెప్పలేదు సార్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సేమ్ సార్
Yes, sir. It's same, sir.
It is same, sir.
two both same sir
Same.
It is same,
Exactly
sir.
same.
Two, sir. Two of them are shape.
Yes.
Correct.
sir even the second one is correct
They are having mirror ops. Mirror ops means they are exactly same. So they comes under symmetry. What about this? 9th and 7th.
Sir, 9th is not correct.
9th
Sir,
is not
Seventh is correct, sir. Seventh is correct, sir.
both sides is same sir
Seventh is correct, sir.
correct but the ninth one is wrong
9th
Sir, the
one is
9th
not
one is
symmetric,
wrong
but
and
the
then
10th one,
the 7th.
7th one is symmetric.
Seventh one is symmetry, sir. Yes, sir.
See the butterfly, if we keep
Exactly.
vertical line, it will be a mirror half.
What about this?
Sir, this is no, sir. This is
Sir, no,
eleventh
sir.
one is okay.
No, sir, both are
11th
not
one is
correct.
okay, sir. 10th is not correct, sir. 10th is not correct.
white is cutting sir
No,
10th
sir.
is not correct, sir. 11th is correct, sir.
11th is correct, sir.
is correct 10th is not correct sir
Not correct, sir. 10th one.
Sir, the
yes sir
Sir, the 11th is not correct because the circle, there is a down line. That's not correct. This side also it's not correct.
11th one is not. 12th one is not.
this color sir 13th one is 8th one is same sir
18th one is same, sir. Same, sir.
Yes, sir, 8th one is same. And the 12th is not there.
12th one
Not
is
here.
not.
12th is not 13th is same
13, sir.
14th is
correct, sir.
not correct, sir.
14th is
15th
not.
is correct, sir. 15th and 13th is correct.
15th and 13th is correct. The
Yes,
14th
sir.
is not
15th and
correct.
Is
sir.
not. Okay.
14th is not correct.
yes sir
Just observation is needed. A mirror game you can try at home if you have a mirror. You can try this.
sir I
Sir, I have that.
tried this sir
See, the given picture, the dog image is there. that is not a symmetric picture. But if you draw a line exactly in the beginning, if you keep
Yes,
a
sir.
mirror there, you can see
Yes,
its
sir.
reflection. Wherever you keep the
This is
mirror,
correct.
you can see its reflection. So that mirror, what
Yes,
you are
sir.
placing, that will be the symmetric line for that.
Sir, I will do this,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Like this.
సాంగ్ కూడా చేస్తున్నా డాడీ
Sir, I will do this.
Don't shout. Look at this.
సార్ B1 is correct sir in this.
It is correct only. You no need to say correct. These are the activities you have to try with the mirror at home. They are correct only. It is shown. No need to say correct. They are correct. You have drawn lines carefully where you can keep the mirror. You can see its reflection on other side so that both exactly look same. These are the activities you have to perform. This picture I am sending, take the printout of this. Wherever the line is there, keep a mirror. You can see both exactly look same. These are the activities you have to do. See, red line. If you put a mirror at red line, you will get the C image. It looks like a kite. It looks like a kite. If you keep the mirror at red line, you will get the image looks
Yes,
like.
sir.
Next, below, if you keep the mirror at the neck of the dog, see there, then you will get this image. These are the activities you have to perform. You can see this. Practically, you can experience this. How to get E image? It is shown there, neck and the tail. If you keep the mirror there, on the mirror, you can see the image which looks like E. You can try these activities. You will enjoy doing this. This chapter is completely activity based. If the offline school was running and you are asked to do this at school itself, get the mirror, do it and show it like a project. Unfortunately, we are in online class, so do it at home, but carefully using the mirror. Don't break it. It will harm you. Look at this. Cubes. It's a three-dimensional picture.
Sir, I got one shape, sir.
Okay, good. Don't shout. Look at this. Right now, where we can draw the line to get the mirror image, if it is difficult to imagine, I will show you. See, like this. At the dotted line, if you keep the mirror, you will get this shape on the other side. You will get this fantastic shape. Looks very beautiful.
Sir, it looks like an arrow.
Yes, yes. So if you do this, you will love to do this. You will enjoy also the class. Like three-dimensional shapes, different shapes.
Sir, we have mirror, but how to keep it?
Mirror. You have to keep
Yes,
the
sir.
mirror, means not the mirror what you use with having the frame and everything. Without frame, only the mirror glass. That's why I told you be careful. If you want to do this without the frame, you have to take only the mirror, not the frame and stand, only the mirror. So if you want to, you can purchase this outside, but be careful. Better not to do this. If you want to do this, take all precautions and do it. Not the frame. Without frame, you have to do it. Otherwise, what you can do is this: take the printout of this, fold exactly on the line, take the mirror, keep and check. Mirror, keep and check. On the mirror, you can keep the paper. you can get this image on the other side. See, this is the mirror. You have taken something. This is the line of symmetry. You can put the line of symmetry on the mirror like this. You can see its image here.
Yes, sir, we can see it.
See the image. So
It's
with
like
frame also
double.
you can do it. Without frame, it will be beautiful, but it will be harmful also. So keep this and check its image like this.
Yes, sir.
Try. This diagram, you fold, keep on the mirror, you will get the shape C. All different shapes.
Sir, can you send this?
Yeah, I'm going to send this. I will send this,
Okay,
take the
sir.
printout and do it. Okay.
Sir, I got another shape, sir. Sir,
Yes.
I got another shape, sir.
Good, good.
Sir, this is an easy chapter.
This is very easy chapter. Questions also very easy. Just I will show you what type of questions you can expect in the examination. So I will
Okay,
share
sir.
one worksheet here. Just to go through this. See, this is a worksheet.
Sir, should we write that?
No, I will share this worksheet. How many lines
Yes,
of
sir.
symmetry you can draw for this?
Yes, sir. When you share it, then we should write.
Yes, you have to write. Rectangle, you can have 2 lines of symmetries. B is there, alphabet, that is having only
one.
horizontal symmetry. This diagram is having 2 lines of symmetries. Here, match the following.
Time is up, sir.
This is match the following. Out of these 3 figures, which is having only horizontal symmetry, which is having horizontal and vertical symmetry, and which is having only vertical symmetry.
Second one, sir.
This I am going to share.
Okay, sir.
This you have to draw the reflection of this. One side picture, second side mirror of is here.
Sir, this we have to do it in graph
Yes, this you have to
because
do in the, you can do this in the graph better, otherwise you can do in the class. Same paste, take the printout, do it. That is better.
okay, sir.
Take the printout, paste it and do it. So that one side graph is already there, you have to draw only the second half. If you
Sir,
do
the
it
time
graph
is
paper, you have
up,
to
no,
draw
sir.
both. This already answers are given. How many symmetric lines are there for this? Next, one half is given, other half you have to draw here. Then rotational symmetry, I have explained here. The explanation is given. Next class we are going to do this. Rotation. This also we did in the last class. 90 degrees rotation, 180 degree rotation,
Exact match group petition.
rotation of this.
Sir, this is a
Yes, sir.
butterfly, sir.
Okay,
Sir, this is a butterfly, sir.
who is that?
Isaac Samuel.
Where are you, man?
Here. Sir,
Yeah, okay. I can see. Very good. You did with the color, very good. So all of you can try with the color. Take the color, white paper, fold it, you will get whatever different shapes you are getting, paste in the notebook. That's all. Activity. This whole chapter is a practical base. Very good. You did 2 more. Very good. Very good, is that? Very good. Very good. So this is the practical base. I have shared one video yesterday. Today morning also one video I have shared. I will share the PPT and worksheets. You do this on your own as a practical base. Take time, do it. You will definitely love to do this. You will enjoy doing this. Colors, definitely you will do it. Take a white paper, good quality white paper, take a A4 sheet, put the color, press it carefully, see exactly. If you are not getting exactly, put some more colors, then do it till you get exact shape. After getting exact shape, stop, cut and paste in a notebook. Take one more paper, try doing this. Okay.
సార్
Okay, sir.
అడ్డం వస్తుంది సార్ మేము క్లాసెస్ వింటుండే.
What happened? Who is that? If somebody is disturbing, ask them to meet me or send them to my home. Okay. The small kids are disturbing here, I think. Okay, so in the next class, we will discuss this and we will try to complete this. After that, we will revise for the examination. Revision worksheets will be shared to you one by one, and Google Forms also will be shared to you. Please do it. And today, don't forget to do the activity, use colors and try to make different shapes. I expect each student will be doing at least 5 images, mirror images using colors. Okay. Bye. See you. I hope
Okay,
you
sir.
all got the timetable. I hope you all got the syllabus for the PT1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.